So, Jai Hind to all, Gaurav Shrivastava from AKG Engineering College, Ghaziabad. And today we have discussed about more information about the symmetrical components. Initially, we had discussed at the Foscue theorem, there is an unbalanced system can be defined or the resolved into a three balanced system, or you can say the n phasor unbalanced systems can be defined or the converted into a three n balanced phasor diagrams. So that is known as the positive, negative and zero sequence components. So like we have initial discussed about equations, okay, like what is the equations? Find out ki haan, that is the VA, VB, VC is find out the 1 1 1 1 alpha 1 alpha alpha square is equal to VA naught, VB naught, VC naught, VA naught, VA1, sorry, VA1, VA2. So like this, we have find out the relations, and similarly we have the relations between this A naught, VN1, VA2. If the symmetrical components in the relation with the phasor values, so we can find out 1 by 3, 1 1 1, 1 alpha alpha square, 1 alpha square alpha, and VA, VB, VC. So now we have discussed about the power in the terms of the symmetrical components. We can easily see that for the single phase, what will happen? The power is given as the P and P plus JQ. That is the active and the reactive power P plus JQ, and which is given as the phase A के respect में B and C. So like for the three phase, for the single phase we can conclude it. So like VA IA conjugate, that is the current conjugate we are using. Similarly, phase B power and the phase C power we have calculated VC into IC. So that is the becomes equations. When we are using this equation, so this equation become this. कि VA terms of multiple, VB terms of multiple, VC terms of multiple, and we can bifurcated it like terms. कि VA, VA, BC in terms of the transpose we can write up, and the symmetrical point of view IB, IB, IC. Like because of this equation become VA, VB, VC in terms of the matrix form, and then IA, IB, IC. Okay, so these equations become this, and then we have changes this equation in terms of this. Okay, like this, we have taken the transpose of this, row element becomes column, and then initial this. So simply we can write out this is the equation. Ki haan, that is the AV, because of the we know that the this equation becomes this. तो ये equations क्या थी आपकी AV012. Okay, we can simple write it. So that's why these equations become कि हाँ ये converted हो गया आपके पास AV012 transpose A because of this conjugation point of view. Similarly, we can find out I A IABC. Similarly, जब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो AI012. Okay, so that's why becomes this AI conjugate 012, and then we can again open this equation. What will happen? Ki like A transpose VA012 transpose A into I012 conjugate. So we just taking ki A transpose into A. What will happen? Conjugate क्योंकि यहाँ पर I कॉन्जुगेट था तो आपका ये था, तो I कॉन्जुगेट भी निकल के आ गया। तो अगर आप इसको कॉन्जुगेट और इसका ट्रांसपोर्ट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन निकालेंगे, सो दैट्स बिकम 3 यूनिट मैट्रिक्स 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Just take an example like how we can calculate it. A transpose like 1 1 1 1 ट्रांसपोज में चेंज कर दिया, और कॉन्जुगेट 1 1 1 1. अब ये अल्फा अल्फा हो चुका था स्क्वायर, ये अल्फा हो गया, ये अल्फा हो गया, अल्फा स्क्वायर हो गया। एंड देन जब हम इसको निकालेंगे इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो निकल के आ जाएगा 3 टाइम्स 1 प्लस अल्फा प्लस थ्री, क्योंकि रेस्ट ऑफ द कंपोनेंट जो आएगा आपके पास तो ये 0 हो चुका होगा, ताकि पर 3 यूनिट मैट्रिक्स। सो दैट्स व्हाई दैट इज द 3 वैल्यूज यहाँ पे निकल के आ रही है। एंड देन 0 1 2 ट्रांसपोर्ट सिंपल वी हैव राइट अप हियर, एंड देन I0 1 2 conjugate we have write up. So like this, because of this equation become this. And then we are utilizing this. So this power becomes in the power terms of the symmetrical component, like in the phase value of the 3 phase, which is equivalent to the individual 3 symmetrical components power phase values. कि हाँ IA0 conjugate plus VA1 IA1 conjugate plus VA2 IA2 conjugate, which is equivalent to the, we have initial taking the VA IA conjugate plus VB IB conjugate plus VC IC conjugate. So that means the phasor in terms of the phasor power in each phase equal to the 3 times of the phasor symmetrical components power. Okay, so that is the derivation we can easily derived here, or you can say the calculation of the power in terms of the symmetrical components. So like now we have further moved to the next topic, which is related to the sequence impedances and the sequence networks. So as discussed, that is a theorem, Forcher's theorem, that is the unbalanced phasor can be divided into the n phasors types of symmetrical components, which is equal into the magnitude and the phase angle. Okay, so right now we have discussed three positive, negative, and the zero sequence. So that's why we have discussion about these sequences. When we discuss sequence component, then we draw the sequence network accordingly and the phasor sequence impedances. So like the impedance of the circuit, when the positive sequence current alone are the flowing in the circuit, is called as the positive sequence impedances. Similarly, the impedance of the circuit when the negative sequence current components alone are flowing in the circuit are called the negative sequence impedances, and when the case of the zero sequence current is flowing, or you can say the present in the circuit, the impedance is called the zero sequence impedances. So that is definition for the, you can say the positive, negative in the zero sequence impedances. And similarly, how we can calculate these impedances, or you can the circuit analysis, and that is called the single, what is the sequence network? Okay, so the single phase equivalent circuit composed of the impedances of the two current of any one sequence only is called the sequence network. That means ki positive or the negative or the sequence, any current which is related to the positive sequence current available in the circuit, or the negative sequence current component, or you can the zero sequence, corresponding circuit is known as the positive, negative, and the zero sequence components or the network. So negative sequence, positive sequence network contains the positive sequence current and the positive sequence impedances. Similarly, for the negative sequence circuit or the network, they have the negative sequence impedances as well as the negative circuit current in the circuit. For the zero sequence network, so there is a zero produces the zero sequence voltage produces the zero sequence voltage drop is okay. And for the each generally which are using for the sequence impedances the various devices, we note that in the various devices which are used in the power system, that is called the generator or the motor in terms of the generation side or the distribution side which is connected, or the transformer and the transmission line. Three main components are using, and there is a different types of impedances are given as the positive, negative and zero. Mostly what will happen for the generator rating, we are using the positive, negative and the zero values are the different all the values. But as usually what will assume we have for this calculation point of view, in case of the assumptions we are taking to the same for the positive and the negative with the generator side. Again 0 is very different, not an equal to the transformer. But in the transformer case, what will happen? Positive, negative and the zero sequence impedances, all the impedances are equal in the case of the transformer, correct? So what will happen in the transformer, that is the same positive, negative and the zero. Similarly, what will happen in the transmission line? In the transmission line, the positive and the negative impedances, sequence impedances are the same, but they have the different zero sequences. Similarly, like transformer generator cases. So it is just a abbreviation which are using here. Now we are just taking as the example case in the unloaded generator. Firstly, we can discuss about generator cases, and then we go for the transmission line or the transformer. There is something else, different type of component. Three types of components. So each and every component we have to find out their sequence networks and their equations, or you can say the impedances which are using here. So like here, there is a unloaded generator in the case of, that is of phase A, B, C. There is a ground current flowing in the phase A, IA and IB and the IC, and there is a something, the neutral point is connected to the neutral impedance through the ground. There is a neutral current flowing in the circuit. So what will happen? The generator voltages are of the positive sequence only, since the generator is designed to supply balanced three phase voltage. Already the positive sequence diagram of the generator is composed of an image series the positive. So only and only positive sequence current voltages are generated in the case of the alternator. The generator voltage of the positive sequence only positive sequence voltages in the case of generator. So that's why कि हाँ three phase balance system को अगर हम we have to convert it to the positive sector network. So for the references point of view, that is the becomes कि हाँ single line diagram impedances and voltage sources becomes this, and the equations like this कि हाँ only VA1 is equal to कि VA1 is equal to EA minus IA1 Z1. So the IA1, that is the positive sequence current, and Z1, so that is the positive sequence impedance. Net resultant or the voltages across the this VA1 is equal to EA minus IA1 Z1. So net resultant, or you can send it the find out this. Similarly, if you are taking the negative and the zero sequence diagram, there is a no EMF, but include the negative and the zero sequence impedances of the generators respectively. So like now current is available, positive, negative and the zero sequence, both all the three sequence currents are available on all the circuit, but the voltage in the positive sequence only is generated. So that's why there is a net EMF is given by the VA1 is equal to EA minus IA1 Z1. Otherwise, in the negative and the zero sequence network, the voltage is not available. So that's why there is a no EMF contains, and that's why the positive sequence voltage is generated in the case of this. So like now that conditions becomes like this, and VA2 is equal to this. Similarly, we have find out ki if there is a no neutral in cases, so that is IA1, IA naught, Z naught. But in the case of the neutral impedances also is coming, so that signs of 3 IA naught, which is equivalent to the minus IA naught ZG naught plus 3 ZN neutral impedances. So these equations very useful. That is equation known as symmetrical component network equations. Okay. So that is the negative. Okay. So negative currents flowing in the circuit, zero current flowing in the circuit, and the positive current flowing in the circuit. So all the currents are flowing in each and every circuit, but the voltage is only in the positive. So these equations like VA1 is equal to EA minus IA1 Z1, VA2 is equal to minus IA2 Z2, and VA naught is equal to minus IA naught Z naught or minus IA naught ZG naught plus 3ZN. So these equations known as the symmetrical network equations. Okay. So furthermore, just series के 1 through 3 points we have also. The machine reactance in the positive sequence network is the subtransient transient. That is why positive transient, positive reactance, synchronous reactance, depending on whether subtransient, transient, or steady conditions being standing. The references for the bus for the positive and the negative sequence network is the neutral of the generator. So far as positive and negative sequence components are concerned, the neutral of the generator at the ground potential, even if this connection between neutral are grounded. The reference buses for the zero sequence ground not necessary in the generator, convert a square, and the normal line impedance diagram pulsar plus the input EMF. Three-phase generators and motors have internal voltage of positive sequence only. That is a very important line which are using every here. Now again, that is the one questions in which, okay, so there is the one question is a 25 MVA 11 kV 3-phase generator has a subtransient reactance of the 20%. Supplies यहाँ पर आपको दे रखी है जनरेटर की आपकी 20% reactance है, 25 MVA की rating and 11 kV voltage supply है. Then 20% reactance generator supplies two motors over transmission line with transformer at the both 15 and 7. तो यहाँ पर transformer की rating जो है 15 MVA and that is a 7.5 MVA. Okay. So because sorry, एक second. The motors have rated inputs of 15. Sorry, there is something correction we have just taken. So that rating is given for the motors. Okay. So we have rating, write the rating here 15 MVA and 7.5 MVA. This is a motor second, and the voltage is both is 10 kV, and the reactance is given as a 25%. Okay. So यहाँ पर given the three-phase transformer of 10% E, the connection, the transformer are both rated 30 MVA. Okay, so that is a 30 MVA, 30 MVA, correct, and the voltage is 10.8 and oblique 121 kV, and here 121 divided by 10.8 kV का reduction से लगा हुआ है and 10% of each. यहाँ के 10% आपको reactance दे रखी है, positive, negative and the zero, not an issue. And next है the series reactance of the line is 100 ohms. Okay. Draw the positive and the negative section network of the system with reactance marked in per unit. Okay. And also assume that the negative sequence reactance of each machine is equal to the its subtransient reactance. So जो positive की है that is for the negative as well. तो हम x1 और x2 both के लिए define कर सकते हैं. And also omit resistance, select generator rating as the base in the generator rating. Okay, in the generator circuit. So its values are given, different voltages are given. We have to find out the positive and the negative sequence network. Correct? So what will happen? So initially we can do the analysis. So initially we have calculated the x per unit new, x per unit old into MVA new upon MVA old, kV old, kV new square. Okay. So we have to find out the voltages firstly. So just select base MVA again 100 कितना था आपको जनरेटर सेलेक्ट करने को बोला हुआ है तो बेस MVA आपका 25 MVA आ गया एंड बेस वोल्टेजेस जनरेटर साइड आपका 25 MVA which is equivalent to the primary of T1 इसका to 25 MVA. Then transmission line का वोल्टेज आप निकाल लोगे. What is the transmission line का voltage? 25 into what is the voltage level? 121 divided by 10.8. We have to simple calculate, and then we have the voltages at transmission line. This 25 primary side of T1 transmission line का voltages हो गया, which is the secondary of T1 and primary of T2 voltages, and then we have to calculate voltages at secondary T2 which is equivalent to the motor voltages. The value is given at the जो भी यहाँ पे x value आ रही थी x into यहाँ का ratios लगा दो 10.1.121 we have calculated y. Okay, so we have the formulas and voltages. We have to find out the कि हाँ MVA base we have different voltages we have. So just put up these value and find out the per unit formulas. So that is the same questions. So just calculated कि हाँ xg1 की हमने calculated कर लिया कि old value क्या थी new. So हम एक we have taken the one that is a 20. (0.20) MVA new आपका MVA new हमारे पास कितना था 25 वोल्ट इतना था एंड वोल्टेजेस आपका 11 kV 0.2 J per unit. Similarly XT1 निकाल लेंगे XT1 10 10.8 30 MVA new 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 30 और आपका वोल्टेजेस ट्रांसफार्मर कितना था 10.8 ओल्ड न्यू कितना था आपके पास न्यू 11 ओके ये निकाल देंगे सिमिलरली XT2 XTL XM1 XM2 okay so all the values we have easily find out and then draw the sequence network. So what will the sequence network? For the positive there is a voltage EMF also available, that is the reactance of the generator G1, then T1 XTL transmission line, XT2, then there is a two motors, so that is the positive sequence network of that equation diagram. So there is a reactance generator transformer TL T2 and XM1 XM2. In the positive sequence the voltage source is available, and what will the negative? In the case of negative we are just taking remove the we have just यहाँ पर we have just remove that value and draw the negative diagram as well. Okay, so just using this, just voltage EMF as discussed कि यहाँ पर negative and the zero में आपका use नहीं होता है voltage source. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपका XG1 XT1 XTL2 2 2 XT2 2 XM1 2 XM2 2, that is the 1 1 1 1 1. That notification is known as the positive, notification known as the negative sequence network. In the question, positive and negative values are all the same for that question point of view. If you calculated one, it is equivalent to the negative impedances. Okay, so that is the positive and the negative sequence network. We can easily draw it. Like now, that is the another question. So if we taking the draw the positive and negative sequence network for the system described the below. If there is a no values given, so we don't require to calculation. We just draw the simple diagram. Here that is a one generator cases and the transformer T transmission line. There is a something. So that is a similar previous question we have. Like positive and that is a okay. Because of the you just write out कि हाँ G1 है T1 है TL है T2 है M1 है M2 है यहाँ पर ये आप डैश 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 लगा दीजिए कि हाँ ये फॉर द पॉजिटिव वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड एंड G1 है XT1 है XTL है ट्रांसफार्मर T2 है मोटर M1 है मोटर M2 है. So just using the simple diagram, just taking this. Okay, so here the diagram is shown like simple कि यहाँ पॉजिटिव के साथ वोल्टेज सोर्सेज आ रहा है, नेगेटिव के साथ भी. And if the values, if the numerical values are given, then we have calculated कि हाँ each and every calculated and then put up these value here. We don't write कि हाँ x कि यहाँ xm2 है, so that is the value of the xm2 is here. Similarly, xm1 or the transmission line xtl or xt2, xt1, xg1. So that is the each and every value. If the value is given, then we have calculated the value and put up the values in that diagram also. If the diagram value is not given, we just draw the diagram simple as well. So that is all of about the negative and the positive sequence. Next topics will be covered with the zero sequence. Okay. Thank you.